Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free seed pack in Grow a Garden by completing all the daily quests. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the gear shop here and click on talk, and then you can click on show me daily quest. Okay, and these are all my daily quests in Grow a Garden, and I have completed all the daily quests. As you can see, I need to harvest the 25 green apple, plant 5 watermelon seeds, and then harvest 50 strawberry. And then I just need to claim the reward. Here I will get 3 seed packs and I'm going to claim it. Okay, and now it's done. I have already gotten the normal seed pack, and then I'm going to go to my garden. Okay, and I'm going to open the seed pack here. Wait, I'm going to click on anywhere and let's see what we will get. Wow, I get watermelon. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get free seed pack in Grow a Garden with the daily quests. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!